Now I'm again with another unboxing video. After 1 year later, I have another iPhone 16 Pro Max for you guys to unbox. This one, lovely looking iPhone 16 Pro Max box. Lovely, you can see the tag is still remaining here. And iPhone 17 we have now. I have unboxing video. If you want to check iPhone 17 Pro Max, you can check. And another version of iPhone 16 Pro Max as well. So lovely looking box. 1 year later, this one here, the tag is still there, all the information is written. Beautiful. So without any further ado, I'm gonna take this off from here. Let's see, and we'll take this out. This is Desert Rose iPhone 16 Pro Max. Lovely white paper here. See the button, body of the phone. Let me show you a little bit. Let me take this off first. So here we go. Look at this, guys, how beautiful the phone is. Triple camera, 248 megapixel, one is 12 megapixel. Lovely background, lovely looking Apple logo here. If we put here near to iPhone 17 Pro Max, you see how changes over the year. And the beautiful 6.9 inch display, lovely, beautiful. The buttons here, this side mute button, and we have volume rocker key up and down, and a physical SIM because this is European version of iPhone. Bottom of the phone you can see USB-C port with the 2 set of speaker, with have a stereo speaker at the bottom. Lovely. This side of the phone, if you go, a giant power button, also you have camera button, antenna line, beautiful magnificent design. At the top we don't have anything. iPhone 17 you have antenna line at the top. In this, no. Lovely looking iPhone 16 Pro Max in this case. Lovely body. This is titanium phone. This is the last phone of Apple Pro Max titanium, because now Pro Max we have aluminum. So there is a big change in this case. If I hit the power button, and when you see Apple logo, you have to leave that. Perfect. Now we come to this screen. You have to decide your language here. First one, decide English, Spanish, Chinese, whatever your language is. Here you see English at the top. So I hit English to put where you are location. So I have to go here, decide my country, where I am. You see here up here Argentina. So decide your country. I hit this one. After that you see appearance, which appearance you want, default, medium, large. So I leave as default. I hit continue button. Quick setup if you have another iPhone, but in this case I'm gonna show you how you can do as a new one. So setup without another device. I hit continue here. Then you have to put your Wi-Fi. In this case, hit this one. You have to put password of your Wi-Fi. Perfect. After putting password, you have to hit next button. First thing first is asking software update. In this case, I don't want to update software. I hit update later. Data privacy, hit continue. Who will use this phone, child, teen, adult? I hit adult. Face ID, if you want continue with Face ID, you hit continue. If you want to set up later, I want to do this later. After that, I have to put password. You have to put a passcode. In this case, anytime you go inside to the phone. So remember which passcode you put, or otherwise you'll have a serious consequences. You have to put 2-time passcode. Okay. After that, here, transfer your app or data from another iPhone. If you want to transfer data app from another iPhone, you can do that. If you don't want to transfer data app, anything from another iPhone, you can skip this process. So I hit here don't transfer anything button. Apple account. So now moments of truth, I have to make one Apple account for you guys. So forget password or don't have an Apple account. In case if you have any Apple account, you have to put your Apple account here, your email address of iCloud, Google email address or Microsoft, depend which Apple account you have. So in this case, I'm going to show you how you can make a brand new Apple account. Hit forget or continue. Here, forget password, create a free Apple account, set up later in settings. So create a free Apple account. I hit this one. So here I have to put my first name and last name. Let's see here. I have to put my date of birth. Put everything according to you. After putting that, hit continue button. I put a name. It will be iCloud Harry J at icloud.com. So they will give me a new email address, okay, or use an existing email address. So you can use your live account Gmail, or you can have an iCloud account. I hit continue. Create email address. I hit this one. I have to put a password. I hit here continue. So here is my phone number. They will register this phone to my phone number that is connected. That means you have to have a chip. In some cases, if you don't have chip, I think still you can do that. So they will send me a text or phone call. So in this case, I think I need a chip inside to have a new Apple ID. So I hit continue here. Maybe in some cases, may not. So they're gonna send me a verification code. In this case, I'm waiting for that. Perfect. You see how the codes arrive. So here we go. Now it's setting up. We have to hit agree. All is done. Apple payment option, other things I will hit set up later. In this case, iPhone is ready. I hit continue button, continue button, continue button, continue button. Welcome screen. I hit get started. It's done. Some of the application is downloading. So use location service sharing, not now. So my iPhone is ready to use. So everything is here. We have, if we open camera, let's see, new camera design, cancel here. You want to see camera, video, continue, continue. Wow, beautiful. So this is working, it's fine. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.